People. The Pledge of Allegiance could be changed forever at public schools in one state as the highest court in Massachusetts takes up the case of an atheist couple. They're fighting to remove the phrase "under God." Molly Line live in Boston with more on that. So what happened in court today, Molly?
Well, the oral arguments were held today, and they were, of course, about something that generations of school children are intimately familiar with, the Pledge of Allegiance being led by a teacher at the beginning of the school day. It's more than tradition. In Massachusetts, it's the law. This case, before the Massachusetts Supreme Court, was brought by an atheist couple with their children against the Acton-Boxborough Regional School District. With the support of the American Humanist Association, they're challenging the use of the words "under God" in the pledge, arguing that this phrase and the repeated pledging violates the Commonwealth's Equal Rights Amendment. Here's David Neosi.
If we want to be inclusive, we would just say one nation indivisible. By injecting "under God" into the middle of that, we are really excluding a large, important part of the demographic in this country.
The lower court ruled against the couple in this case, determining that there was no violation of state law or the school's anti-discrimination policy. John?
And the defendants are seeking to preserve the pledge?
Absolutely. And early on, there was another couple that joined this case seeking to defend the pledge. They were joined by the school district. They joined the school district, rather, and along with the Knights of Columbus. They're being represented by the Becket Fund for Religious Liberties. And they argue that this pledge is voluntary and that it is not inherently religious.
This country is about diversity and about the ability of children to voluntarily participate in that diversity. Silencing children simply because there is a disagreement of views is entirely un-American and unconstitutional.
Now, we don't know when the opinion will actually be rendered by this court. They'll be looking things over, and we will keep you posted. John?
Please let us know what happens. Molly Line in Boston. Thanks.